Hi, my name is Zain Duraie. I'm from Jordan, and I'm director and director of debut feature film Sync, which is in the Sutherland competition at the BFI Film Festival.
عبين ما تصير بدك بكون صرت أكبر دكتور. حاسس لازم نزيد كمان أشياء، حاسه ما بكفي.
فكرتك رحتي على الشغل.
أخذت إجازة.
قول.
The film is about a mother that's navigating her son's undiagnosed mental illness, and instead of seeing the truth and accepting him, she kind of sinks with him into it, and goes through a deep denial until she realizes that something's wrong. Well, it's always the financing. It's very difficult because this is the first film from the MENA region that tackles mental illness and talks about motherhood through that kind of very sensitive subject. So we faced a lot of challenges because it's a film that does not tick boxes or chase trends. So we had a lot of trouble with Europe, especially because this is not a film they would expect from a country like Jordan, and because the film breaks that kind of stereotype. So that was even harder to make the film.
بتذكر قديش كنا نحب نسمع هاي الغنية أيام الجامعة؟
بتذكر.
كثير طلعت حلوة عليك الهودي.
شكراً بابا. لونك المفضل.
People were really moved, they were emotional. A lot of people came up to me and related to the film. Some would say, I have a son like this, I have a mother like this. People were crying. It was really moving.